Afternoon, I'm Greg Clark here at ISE 2023. Glorious to be back here, isn't it? And I'm the brand manager for EM Acoustics. EM Acoustics is in its 21st year of trading now, and we're delighted to be back at ISE after a couple of years gap. So I'm just going to show you the reference series. This is the newest of our product. Came out a couple of years ago. Pre-pandemic, in fact, and since the lights came back on, it's been going extraordinarily well. People are loving this stuff. The largest in the range is the reference R12, so it's two 12-inch drivers with an extremely clever ring radiator, high mid-frequency unit in the center of the box. One of the great glories of this equipment is that it comes with two separate waveguides. So each box ships with those waveguides. They're rotatable, very, very easy to rotate, and they are coming two dispersion patterns, 80 by 50 and 110 by 50. So essentially, they're two boxes in one. So you don't have to buy two boxes to get the differing dispersion patterns. Just one. The waveguide is independent. So the HFMF unit stays within the box, so there's none of that horrible pulling out of wires going on. There are two other little fellas in this range. There's the R10, which is the same principle, exactly the same right the way through the range, rotatable, interchangeable. Two 8-inch low frequency drivers in this. And in the R8, I'm so sorry, I'm going across camera, Emily, my apologies. Here we go, we'll go right across here. And over here is the R8, currently the smallest in this range, but the range has gone so well that we're going to bring an R5 on stream as well. We're accelerating the production process of that because the demand has been exceptional. One of the other important things to note about this range is they are three-way passive boxes. So it only takes one amplifier channel to run these. They're finding their way into all kinds of applications, particularly popular in theatre, but they're going into installations and every circumstance you might want to think of. The other and last kind of cute thing about these, the rigging is incredibly simple. The frame simply drops into the rigging point, slides back, pin goes in, that's it. No bolts, no faff, no nothing. And in my humble opinion, I use these as a designer as well as being part of the manufacturing team. But these are quite exceptional. They sound absolutely beautiful. The off-axis rejection on them is extraordinary, resulting in higher gain before feedback on stage. And they sound delicious. They have a beautiful sound stage. Lovely, lovely pieces of equipment. You really should hear them. And the website is, the website is emacoustics.co.uk. We're based in the UK, we manufacture everything in the UK. Have a listen. Thanks very much.